Alright, boys and girls, we take our paper, we're going to fold it in what is called a hot dog fold. So if I were to fold it like this, that's called a hamburger. But if I fold it so that the paper is long and skinny, that is called a hot dog. So I'm going to start with that, fold it, and crease it. Now the next important part is the fold has to be the bottom of your name. So it opens up at the top, fold is the bottom. When I've got it like that, I'm going to write my name in cursive as big as I possibly can. So I'm going to do a B, an E, a C, a K, and if you have a little letter, the letter that goes down underneath, you got to just scrunch it in. Now notice I took up the whole paper as much as I could. If I'd squeezed my name that small, I'm not going to have a very good bug. You've got to use up the whole thing. Also remember, the fold is the bottom of my name. Okay. Once you get like this, you're going to go over it with Sharpie as carefully as you can. Okay. Try to stay right on your pencil. I'm trying to go really fast, but you're going to really take your time, make it look really good. Okay, when you get to this point, you're going to go up to the window. When you go up to the window, you will flip it over onto this side. You will have a pencil and you will trace. I want you to use pencil at the window because I do not want Sharpie to get on the window. Plus, if you make a mistake, we can erase. Once you have it on the other side, let's go to the window. And I'm back super fast. Now you go over it with Sharpie, so pretend I just did that. When you open it up, you'll have the whole thing in Sharpie. And when you do, you should use an eraser to make sure you erase any pencil lines that are showing. So if you just go back over your name really carefully, you can make sure that there's no pencil marks, so it's really nice and clean and ready for you to design the inside. Now once I get it like this, I get to decide, do I want to bug this way or do I want to bug this way? Which one do I see more as an alien, more of my kind of creature? So I'm looking at this, I'm going to try to do it this way, and I switch to pencil. Always pencil, then Sharpie, pencil, then Sharpie. Now I get to design my bug, so I'm going to design them in pencil first. Okay, I'm going to make this another eye. So he's going to have 4 eyes. These are the antenna. Let's see, I'm going to close this off right here. I'm going to close it off right here. I'm going to close it off right here. I'm going to make these his feet. So there's like some shoes for him. I'm going to give him more feet. These are like, he has little feet on the bottom. There we go. I'm going to give him some pants. So here's the zipper. Let's see, he's wearing a belt. Okay, let's say he's got on a button-down shirt, so he needs buttons. He's wearing a bow tie, so I'm going to design a bow tie. I'm going to put a pattern in these pants. It's just a simple pattern. I don't have to go crazy, but the more interesting things I add to him, the better he'll be. I'm going to make these wings. Okay, I'm going to make this one a wing. Okay, I'm going to make these hands, and I'm going to make these hands, and I'm going to make this like his brain. Let's say, okay. I'm going to give up here, this shirt is going to have polka dots, so I'm going to give him some kind of big polka dots because I'm going to have to go over all of this in Sharpie, so I want to make sure that I can go over it with Sharpie and it not be just a big black blob. Now when I get to this point, I switch back to Sharpie and I Sharpie, and after that, then I can start coloring. I can use anything that is on these trays. I can use marker, crayon, colored pencil, but color's super, super neat. Remember that this is a project and we're trying to get a 3 for craftsmanship and make him really interesting.